Hello and welcome to this review of Majorette cars. Now I have bought this online, the bulldozer, the white Toyota Hiace and the Nissan Cefiro. Now first this Liebherr L538 bulldozer. I have been wanting to buy this, but the price is very high and I saw a discount and I bought it. This is the shop that I bought it from, and it appears the card is a bit damaged here at the back, but the front is quite good. And I'm not going to open this. I'm going to keep it carded. I bought this for 11 ringgit or around 220 euro. Next is this Thailand exclusive, the BMTA van, Bangkok Metropolitan Transport Authority. Now I have Googled the van, the actual one, and you can see it over here. Now, in the past, I have reviewed this van before, and I bought it again because I want to open this. And the other one, I keep it carded, unopened. Again, I got a discount. This costs 14 ringgit 90 or around 3 euro. Now I don't think they have this in Europe. My European friends, please tell me if you can find this in Germany, in Belgium, France, or the Netherlands, Italy. I don't think so. I'm trying to cut as less as possible. So this is it. And you can see some Thai wordings. I think it's the phone number or the name of the route of the van. Also some Thai wording at the back and both sides. Headlights is plastic, rear lights painted. Now there is some problem. There is no pillar here, which means I have to put this black stripe stickers, otherwise you see through. I use this from PVC tape and cut it into thin stripes and insert it inside as much as possible. So you can create a pillar effect for the vehicle like this. Let me do it one side so you can see the difference. Be careful not to scratch the paint or the plastic window. So this is a original, nothing here, just lines, and this is what I have done. So Toyota Hiace. Now this Nissan Cefiro A31, I also have not seen this in the European market. So European friends, please tell me whether you can find this casting in your shop. I bought it 2 because I want to keep one carded. This cost 18 ringgit or around 5.99, €6. But I see some internet reseller selling for double the price. So when I found it at this price, I quickly grab it. 2, one to keep, one to open. Now they do this in 4 colors: red, white, silver, black. And the only color left is silver and black. Red would be nice though, and white, but not black. Because previously I have reviewed this, the racing version with rubber tires, which costs double the price of this. But yeah, today we are going to review this, not that one. This appears to have been opened, so I'll open this and keep this carded. Bear with me while I open this carefully. Yes, so now let's see the card, since it's already peeled open. How do you take it out? Yes. Premium. So this is a premium. So at 18 ringgit, it's normal for a premium price. And you have statistic of the car. It's a 6-cylinder, 3000cc car. And they don't know the speed of the car. Approximately 1.4 ton. Now Majorette could do better. Instead they should put the picture of the real car instead. After all, they have the license from Nissan. So why put the drawing of the car? So this is the car with opening hood, and you can see the engine, but this is the problem. Like the Majorette G63, the bonnet opens very little. Front lights plastic, rear lights painted. Interior is black, but you have interior and it's a right-hand drive. Like this van, it's a right-hand drive. Can you see it? Maybe from here. So it's correct. Maybe that's why you can't find it in the European market. It's right-hand drive. So compare with the racing version. Yeah, you can see instantly the fitting. This one you have the gap of the bonnet here. This one fits nicely because you pay twice the price. Six-spoke wheels is very nice. And let's see, Majorette made in Thailand, 158 scale, Nissan Cefiro A31, and Simba Dicky address, because Majorette is part of the Dicky group. So there you go. Majorette exclusive to Asian market, the Toyota Hiace in Bangkok metropolitan livery, and this Nissan Cefiro. Now if I can find the red one or the white one, I would of course buy it at a reasonable price. I don't like to buy when the price is inflated. So I hope you like this review of Majorette's Thailand exclusive. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.